way to get me out of the boat too. If I see this thing fly too close to my face, I will dip out. Alright?
I'm recording, right?
You are?
I think so.
Where the red light's on?
I see red light right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Supposed to be flashing? Alright. And y'all two gentlemen, y'all are going to be my leaders up here, so whenever I call strokes, just make sure your paddles hit the water at the same time. Usually I'll just call about 3 strokes at a time. If I need more than that, I'll say all forward or all back, and everyone will keep going until I say stop. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, let's try it out. Let's go 3 forward. And 3 more. Perfect. And 2 back. Alright guys, and another pointer real quick, since we got a pretty heavy load right now, whenever you're paddling, instead of using your arms like this, it's going to tire you out pretty quick. You just lean forward, put your paddle in, and then pull back using your body like that. You've got a lot more muscle right here than you do right here. You'll save some energy, alright? And whenever y'all see a bump coming, just hold your paddles up like this until I say, you know, you can push off or whatever, but never try to stop us from hitting anything, because it's going to happen, your paddle will hit it, and it's going to pop straight up like that, and you could catch yourself knocking someone out on camera. So always watch out for that, and I'll try to warn y'all about any bumps coming up too. And whenever y'all hear me say get down, just pop down to the bottom of the raft like this, hand on your T-grip, paddle straight up until I say to get back up, alright? Alright. And get down! Get down! Nice, and back up. Alright, let's go 3 forward. Alright, y'all went over what a high side was in the trip talk, right?
Yes.
Alright, y'all ready to get started?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Woo!
Roll through that.
Woo!
Let's see if we can make it through.
Woo!
Survey says.
Yes.
No. Is he done turning us by himself?
No.
Uh-oh. We are approaching a foreign object.
Let's go 3 forward. And 3 more.
I feel like such a bad paddler.
You are.
So where are you getting from?
Jacksonville, North Carolina.
Things are about...
3 forward.
You did amazing. That lady carrying us.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna do 2 laps over here, then we'll head over to the other side, do 2 laps over there. We'll start this one off, kind of bump it up from there. Y'all just tell me how hard y'all want to go, okay?
We're going as hard as we can go.
Let's go 2 forward.
Oh man,
1 forward.
we're getting ready.
And 2 more.
All these rabbits are crazy.
We're approaching.
And 2 more.
And I just got wet.
I'm wet. I like it.
Hey guys. Uh-oh. We're approaching right side velocity.
One more forward.
And 1 forward.
We are taking on water.
No, we're not.
We are approaching high side velocity again.
Is that what you just said?
One back!
I don't mind going forward like that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
And we got a bump on the left.
Another foreign object, foreign object! Oh! I'm so wet! Foreign object!
Alright guys, push off that wall for me.
Alright.
Next on the pole.
I found the water. We are approaching
Oh, I would go.
small wave. Uh-oh. We are approaching another foreign object.
Okay, it was funny the first time. The rest.
And one forward.
One. Look at that sprinkler, man.
One forward.
How many?
One.
Oh. I thought he said 4 for a second. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, here we go.
Uh-oh, here comes another one.
Forward.
Oh yeah, it's nice and smooth. I love that.
One more.
My butt just got wet.
One more. And good go. Good go.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Yeah, you gotta be kidding me! Oh, trust me, I've been wet. Hey man, it's gonna get rough.
Oh no, I'm gonna fall. Way forward. Lift it up.
One.
And two more. That's supposed to put the waterproof case on that. And three more forward.
Uh-oh.
Three more.
Uh-oh.
And one more.
Oh! I almost went out on that one.
And two more.
Foreign object. Alright.
Basically what I'm going to do is just put the front end of the boat and that raft will get down surfing first. Call everyone down, we'll start surfing in place, the water will be shooting over, it's all good stuff.
Oh yeah.
Forward.
How many? 2?
And one more forward. And just almost like this, there is a very good chance someone will go swimming right here, alright?
Help me out.
What you want to do is if you're ready, you swim to this side unless you pop up next to your boat, alright?
Alright.
Yeah, so you can stand up to this over here. If you can't make it over here on your own, you got a river dart over there that'll help you out.
I just wanna pop up the phone.
And two more. One forward.
Oh yeah.
One more. And get down.
Oh crap.
Get out from under the boat. Get out from under.
Feet first, remember?
Get out. Swim to that side, guys.
Alright, go for paddle. I'm taking on water. I'm taking on water. No standing. Alright. Oh.
Dude, I'm mad how I was under the boat. I got hit in the face with a
And now we gotta start floating down, right? Remember, lean back and assume position.
I don't know.
We rode the wave and my side tipped. Yeah. Oh man, that was rough.
That was awesome.
Yeah, it was.
Come on, Zach, your camera. It's facing your helmet.
Probably that hard hit I took. Yeah, it was. We went hard!
I can't swim with the paddle.
Yeah, it makes it hard.
Dude, no. I figured out how to swim and I paddle real quick. I was under the boat the whole time.
Yeah,
know,
so was
was
I.
under the boat too.
That was awesome. Alright. Now I gotta turn my cameras off for now.